Okay, this is the unboxing of the Galaxy S7 Edge. Replacement for my Note 7. And of course, I got a protector, cell phone protector. Here's a quick start. There's the phone. SIM card's already installed. What else? What is this? Oh, it's just all the accessories. What is this? Oh, all the wow. There's the key.
You can take it out.
Yeah, you can take it out. This is the key for opening the. Wow, it also comes with this adapter.
That's an adapter.
Yeah. It's not a C type USB. It's just regular micro USB. The Note 7 had the C type, the latest version. And what is? Oh, wow, headphones. It's in the case. So that's it. Just an adapter, USB connector, adapter, and a fast charger. This is actually it's fast. It's really fast when you use that charger.
Can I use it, or is it only good for?
No, you can use it. It's the same. It's the only difference is the Note 7's got a different it's got the latest USB C type. This is not a C type. This is just a regular. Still got the protective. This is the silver. And still got protection. Set that aside. Set that aside. Don't need that for a while. Put it away. Most important thing is case protector. It's made by Spec Clear military grade impact protector. That's what it's called, impact protector. Let's just put it in there. Okay, we gotta put the SIM, not the SIM, but the micro SD card. See that? Where's the camera? 32. 32 mega. There you go. Focus.
You're using
There
an old
you go.
Samsung, that's why.
Yeah, I know. It's so good. It's 4K. So. Okay, to put that micro SD card, you gotta put this in there. Okay, do this. You stick that in there.
I think you should have a stand for that,
Yes.
so you can.
Are you critiquing my?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Because if you have a stand, then you can just move it and
I understand.
hands free.
That's why I bought the other one.
Then why are you not using it?
I don't know. I'm too lazy. There. Get the stand. Yes. This. I'm low tech. You know. Okay, I do this.